Hi guys, welcome to Exploring Excel. In this video we're going to learn how to work with dates in Excel. So let's get started. We've got some variables that we're going to first populate. Then we're going to calculate the difference between two dates. We're going to get the year between two dates, the number of years, the number of days, the number of months and weeks. So let's do the variables first. Press equal to today to get today's date, open brackets, close brackets, enter, and you've got today's date. To get the current year, press equal to year, open brackets, point to the current date, close brackets, and you've got the current year. To get the current day, press equal to day, open brackets, point to the current date, close brackets, and you've got the day of the month. Press equal to month, open brackets, point to the date, close brackets, and you've got the current month. If you want to get the current month name, press equal to, type text, open brackets, point to the date, comma, double quotes, double quotes, close brackets, enter, and you've got the current month. To get the current day name, press equal to, text, open brackets, point to the date, comma, double quotes, DD, double quotes, close brackets, press enter, and you've got the current day. Now, let's calculate the difference between those two dates, between today and this date. So let's bring the date down, equal to, point to the date, and we'll just press F4 to make to fix the formula. Press enter, and then we can drag it down. So we have two methods. We're going to use a very uncommon date function. It's called date diff. So equal to date diff, open bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma, double quotes, Y for years, so double quotes, close bracket, and you've got 28 years between those two dates. Equal to date diff, open brackets, start date, comma, end date, comma, D for date, days, double quotes, close brackets, and you've got 10,552 days. Number of months equal to date diff, open bracket, start date minus end date, comma, start date, comma, end date, comma, double quotes, M for month, close bracket, enter, and you've got 346 months. To calculate the number of weeks, we could do date diff, open bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma, number of days divided by 7, and you've got 1,507 weeks. The other method, it is much simpler and you don't have to remember any formulas, is press equal to, open bracket, you start with the end date in this case, minus start date, close bracket, divided by 365, and you've got the number of years between those two dates. Press equal to, end date minus start date, and you've got the number of days. To calculate the number of months, press equal to, open brackets, end date minus start date, close bracket, divided by 365 times 12, and you've got the number of months. To calculate the number of weeks, press equal to, open brackets, end date minus start date, close brackets, divide by 7, and you've got the number of weeks. That's all guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see ya!